Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to add filters to your Snapchat stories or photos to make them stand out. Let's get started. First, open your Snapchat app and swipe left or right on the camera screen to browse through the available filters. You'll find location tags, color effects, timestamps, and fun overlays to choose from. If you're adding filters to a photo from your gallery, tap on the Memories icon below the camera button. Select a photo, and then swipe through the filters to apply the one you like. For stories, snap a new photo or record a video, then swipe to pick a filter that fits your vibe. To layer multiple filters, press and hold on the screen with one finger and swipe with another to stack effects. Once you're done, click the Save button to keep it in your gallery, or hit Send to and choose My Story or specific friends to share it instantly. That's all it takes to level up your snaps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.